1997, I think.
1997?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what it looks like. It's pretty nice. Oh wow.
Floors. We did the doors, and it was like pretty rough shape.
So his was just like mine?
Huh?
His doors was just like mine?
Yeah. The only thing that we're waiting on this one, we're missing a bracket that we have to put an order on the Freightliner for the AC to hold.
Right.
Because he didn't have, this is from a Columbia.
Right.
This is not a Centric. And this is a Centric. So we're converting everything to Columbia because this is a 97, 90, something like that. So they don't make the pieces no more.
Oh, okay, I see.
So we're converting everything to Columbia.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Looks pretty good.
I can show you the one on the beach.
All right. Got a nice shop. So how long y'all been doing trucks for?
3 years now.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, that's a nice color scheme. Definitely fresh. Can y'all install new seats also?
Oh yeah, you can get me a seat, yeah.
Okay.
We do the lighting too. Let me show you the lighting on this one.
Oh wow.
So you got 2 colors.
Oh, y'all can install all that?
Yeah, we do everything in house.
Okay.